Hello everyone and welcome back to Konveio's tutorial series. In this video, we're going to quickly run through how to upload a document on Konveio. So once you've logged in, you can visit the dashboard tab and find the add new document button. In this case, we're just going to title this with some placeholder text, and I'm going to use a call to action called call to action just to show you the field and steal some information here to show you what the description field will look like. So in this case, let's go ahead and upload a document. You'll want to make sure that it is no larger than 25 megabytes in size and that it's been optimized when you export it to optimize performance. Once your document has been uploaded, you'll see that there is now another field to upload an additional document. I'm going to click and upload a second document to show you what it's like to upload multiple chapters or different versions. Different translated languages can be used. You can use this for appendices, glossaries, or just anything else that you'd like to create access to within one experience. So once we've done this, we'll need to add a little bit of text to explain the difference between these, and then we can move on. The best practice is, as you get started with uploading a document, you may not want this to be shown on the homepage, so you can deselect this for now. But when you come back around to publish this and present it to more people, you want to recheck this box and write a short description, which will appear on the homepage. And I'll show you what that looks like here. So this description will be something that pops up in our tile view, and in the list view, it will be shown to the right without any hovering action. So you'll really want to have this filled out. And if you don't like the preview that comes from the front page of your document, you can upload a thumbnail by using this field here. So, and as you get started, or once you publish this, you can also choose to pin it to the top of the homepage. So let's go ahead and take a look at what our document is like. Now we can take a look and see what we have done so far. We can scroll to the bottom and see that we have our chapter by chapter navigation with a drop down as well as next and previous controls to help them navigate. This is also accessible at the top here. And this is a admin only option. So once you've logged in and you have your document loaded, you can click the add pins button. This allows you to add content overlays with other information like videos, text, maps, and more directly on your document. You also see that this icon has popped up, and you can click here to add a sidebar pin. So you can have it span a range of pages. So let's say we just went on pages 2 through 4 or 2 through 3. You can do that. But instead of creating a content overlay, we have a separate video for that, but I will at least show you what it's like to have an existing content overlay on here. So you can use, once your content overlay has been saved, you can check your work by clicking on the center and viewing it as a participant. And then you can come through and reposition that tag if you'd like to refine its positioning. And then you have a settings icon available on each, which will allow you to check your work and retitle the flyout text or choose a different icon. So when you do choose an icon, you can technically visit this list here and take a look at all the different icons on Font Awesome, where you will copy a simple piece of text like this into this field. In the future, we will have another interface, which is coming soon, which allows you to search through a long list or take a look at our favorites to find something that fits your content overlay and advertises it appropriately. So now that we have that covered, let's take a look at another example where we can take a look at a step-by-step guide. So here is our step-by-step guide activated on our master plan example. I'm going to go ahead and click previous, and we'll notice this takes us to page 10. So now we can go ahead and take a look at its settings to show you how to create this yourself. So we'll go down to the step-by-step guide field, and here you can see all the different steps that we have. We have page 10, 20, 35. This allows you to create little bits of text preview to drive attention to different sections of long documents. And you would simply create your title and add your introduction. This will show until somebody clicks a step. Once they do, then they will be driven to page 10 with this text and 20 with this text and so on. So now let's go ahead and look at what it's like to create a workspace. So if you like to have your document with a password, you can simply go and upload any password you'd like, and it will show on the homepage as a document if you have it revealed on the homepage, like this with password required. And then you can just simply have people upload that. I know this password by heart, so I will submit it. Access to a sample report. So to achieve this yourself, you will go to the Edits tab, and you will find the password section. So now here we are at the commenting settings, and this is a great place to stop this video and go ahead and start this and a new dedicated video on selecting the right settings. So I will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon.